Good morning, students. Today we will revise chapter Components of Environment. Environment is our basic life support system. It provides the air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, and the land where we live. It also includes plants, animals, and large variety of man-made things. In a simple term, whatever we see in our surroundings are collectively called environment. What is the meaning of environment? The term environment is derived from a French word environment. It means surroundings. The people, place, things, and nature that surround any living organism is called environment. What is environment? The people, place, things, and nature that surround any living organism is called environment. Now we will know components of the environment. Our environment consists of two main components: natural environment and man-made environment. What is natural environment? All those things that are naturally existing around us are together called natural environment. These are the free gift of nature. For example, plants, animals, land, air, water, etc. Natural environment is further divided into two parts: biological environment and physical environment. What is biological environment? This environment includes the world of living organisms, for example, human beings, plants, animals, insects, etc. And what is physical environment? Physical environment refers to the world of non-living elements, for example, land, water, air, etc. The land on which we live is not a man-made thing. It has been created through a natural process. Similarly, air, water, natural vegetation, etc. also occur naturally. Now we will know man-made environment. This includes changes and modifications of the natural environment made by human beings. It shows the activities, creations, and interactions among human beings. We find that not everything around us is the gift of nature, but many things such as buildings, roads, bridges, parks, industries, furniture, books, etc. are human creation. These are also called the components of human made environment. Students, two components of natural environment, that is the physical and the biological, are largely interdependent and cannot be separated. Any major changes in the physical environment is bound to bring a changes in the accompanying biological environment. The changes can be sudden or gradual. For example, the development of soil takes years together and cannot be visualized through our senses. On the other hand, some changes are very sudden, like the changes brought about by the occurrence of an earthquake or volcano, etc. Now, through some questions, we will revise today's topic. First question is, what is environment? The place, people, thing and nature that surround any living organism is called environment. And second question is, name the major components of the environment. The major components of the environment are natural environment and man-made environment. Natural environment, all those things that are naturally existing around us are together called natural environment. These are the free gift of nature. For example, plants, animals, human beings, land, air, water, etc. And man-made environment, this includes changes and modification of the natural environment made by human beings. It shows the activities, creation and interaction among human beings. For example, buildings, parks, industries, bridges, etc. Third question, differentiate between the physical environment and the biological environment. What is physical environment? Physical environment includes all non-living things like land, water, air, etc. And what is biological environment? The biological environment includes all living things such as plants, animals, human beings, etc. Now, last question, write down the components of human environment. What are the main components of human environment? The components of human environment are buildings, roads, bridges, parks, industries, furnitures, books, etc. Now we will revise keywords of this chapter. First word is biodiversity. What is biodiversity? It is a variety of life on earth comprising of plants, animals and microorganisms. Second word is microbes. What is microbes? Very small organism is known as microbes. Third word is national park. A well demarcated reserved area for the protection of wildlife. It does not allow any human activity. Next word is ocean. Ocean means vast expanse of saline water on the earth's surface. And last one is wildlife sanctuary. What is wildlife sanctuary? A geographical area meant for the conservation of biodiversity. Limited human activities are permitted. In next class, we will revise 4 spheres of environment, that is lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere and biosphere in details. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.